Hi everyone, today I'm going to be sharing with you guys how I achieved this really beautiful coppery eyeshadow look paired with bronze skin and this beautiful lip. I love how this look turned out. I feel like it really complemented all aspects of the face. I'm first starting out with my Glossier Priming Moisturizer. I love how this moisturizer pairs with the Fenty Beauty Foundation, which is obviously what I'm using right now. I like that the Fenty Beauty Foundation is a matte foundation for the summertime. It really helps keep me from getting too oily, even though I like looking like an oil slick. But the priming moisturizer does a really good job paired with the Fenty foundation because the priming moisturizer really shines through the foundation. It looks really nice that way. Now I'm just taking my concealer, and that's the Urban Decay Weightless Complete Coverage Concealer. I don't know what order that is. I think it's like the Naked Skin Concealer, actually. I don't know. I'm putting it where you would usually put concealer. Shockingly, I'm not using a complexion sponge for this part. I was just too lazy to go ahead and dampen it, to be honest, and I was in a little bit of a rush. I did this look in 22 minutes. Like, the raw footage is literally 22 minutes, including my, posing. Anyway, now I'm taking my e.l.f. Cosmetics Cream Blush and Bronzer Duo. I'm just using my Real Techniques sculpting brush for this part. I love this cream bronzer. I don't use the blush. I really just ever use the bronzer. I think it's beautiful. It blends out really nicely. It's a really beautiful color. I just love how it looks on the skin. It's so fresh and natural and beautiful. Now, very extreme, I'm taking this highlighter from Makeup Revolution. It's the sophx collaboration. I don't know who that is, but she made a bomb highlighting palette. Like, it's really beautiful. $15 for all those beautiful shades. Putting it wherever I highlight. And now I'm doing my eyes. I'm taking this Catrice eyeshadow primer, putting it all over the lid. And now I'm taking the beautiful Violet Voss Ride or Die palette. I hate the packaging of this thing. I think it's so tacky. But the shadows are stunning, and it's a great collection of colors. This shade that I'm taking is just a nice burnt orange, good transition shade for the crease. Blends out so nicely. I'm a big fan. Now I'm taking this darker shade, really good for deepening up the crease. Again, you guys know how to put eyeshadow on. But yeah, that's just what we're doing. Now I'm taking this beautiful coppery shimmery shade on my finger. Best way to apply shimmers, in my opinion, for good packing. It's just so, oh my god, it's so beautiful. I love it. I hate that this part is out of focus. The eyeshadow part, I hate that. I'm just taking a flat brush, probably with a little bit more product on it, and just making sure everything looks nice and seamless. Now I'm taking this little detail brush and adding some cute shimmer into the inner corner to brighten up my eyes a bit. And then I'm taking that darker shade again on a smaller blending brush and just blending it through the crease to make sure everything looks nice, uniform, blended, and deepening it up a little bit. I am taking the Glossier Wowder now and just setting my face a little bit with the Wowder. I like how lightweight the Wowder is, so it'll keep my face from looking super oily in places I don't want to look oily, but, you know, still keep me glowy. I now just mixed a really deep highlighting powder with a very shimmery blush. I wanted it to be kind of like a bronzy blush. I'm not sure if it came out the way that I envisioned, but I still liked how glowy my skin looked, and I did like the color of it. So there's that. Now just highlighting the brows. I used a matte shade to do this, which was different for me, but it came out well. Now taking a detailed brush again and just lining the underneath of my eyes, my lash line, and connecting the crease to the lash line. Now I'm taking lip liner. I believe this is MAC's lip liner in Soar, but I will leave all the product information down below. Lining my lips with it completely, like outlined and the inside. And now I'm taking this really beautiful Ardency and lipstick. I don't know what the name of it. I will put it in the description box. I love the combo. It came out so good. Oh my god. All of this looks so good. I love the skin, the lips, the eyes, the brows. Such a good combination that I'm really proud of. I love this look. But yeah, that's the completed look. I hope that you guys enjoyed. Everything that I use will be in the description bar below, so go ahead and check that out, including brows and mascara. I know I didn't include that in the video. But anyway, thank you guys for watching. Subscribe if you want to be notified whenever I post a new video, and hopefully I see you next time.